I'll be making a super easy, super cheap, and affordable DIY faux plant. Right now you see me taking everything out of my bag. I got some moss, I got some floral foam, some tape, my leaves, and my pots. So right now I'm just showing you guys my first leaf. That was about $6, and my second leaf was about the same price, or like $8. I got my floral foam from Dollar Tree, my tape from Dollar Tree. I got my table from Ollie's. It's a little discount store. I got that for $5. My pots actually came from Ollie's too. That was about $3. So right now you see me putting the floral foam inside the pot. The ones from Dollar Tree actually comes in like little blocks. So I just put 2 blocks, and now I'm taking newspaper and stuffing it around the blocks, just so it can like stand up straight and it could be nice and full. So I'm just taking random newspaper, tearing it up and stuffing it in there. And I'm stuffing it in there a lot because you don't want any empty space, so it can look like a real faux plant. I'm just gonna stick one of the big leaves in there first. Floral foam is so soft, so easy to stick things inside of. So I put that in there, and I dug it kind of deep, but I wanted to look sort of like a tree, so I wanted to see some of the stem too. And I'm just going to place the other leaf super close so it looks like one little stalk. And then I'm going to just adjust the leaves to be bent downward like that. This is an out view, like a zoomed out view, and it looks so nice and so real. So with these plants, you can just arrange it however you want to. As you can see in the thumbnail, I also added some little loose flowers to it, and it just gives it such a more tropical, homey vibe that I really enjoyed. So now we're almost done, but I'm gonna add some moss. You can use a little green type of fake grass, but I feel like the moss made this plant look super duper real. I just placed it on top, and it stays pretty well, and it just makes this whole plant look, first of all, like a real plant, and second of all, look like it costs a lot of money. Faux plants are expensive, and this one cost me like literally under $20. And it is just so nice. I love it. Look at the results, you guys. This was so easy and so fun to make, and it looks great in my room. So if you guys did not check out my room tour yet, please check it out.